Welcome to one of Lubbock's newest master plan communities here in the South Lubbock area. So right now I am walking in the streets of one of the newest master plan communities. Like I said, off of South Lubbock, right off of Indiana in 145th Street. So this isn't going to be a very large master plan community. It's not going to be one with tens of hundreds of homes, but it is going to be a really pretty, beautiful master plan community with a couple hundred homes, maybe even less than that, honestly, because this neighborhood, all of the homes are on half an acre. And I'm going to tell you all about this neighborhood, and I'm going to take you into this beauty right behind me, and that way I can show you some of the homes. I'm going to get started right now. Hey, I'm Sam Riddle, and if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Lubbock, Texas, well then be sure to tap that bell and hit that subscribe button so that you can be the first to know about all things happening here in Lubbock, Texas. I get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Lubbock, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days or even 9 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call, and I'd love to meet you and your family and help you make a smooth transition into the Lubbock area. So as I mentioned, we are at one of the newest communities here in the South Lubbock area on half an acre of land in the price range of around the mid 600s to around 800,000. So if this is what you are looking for to still be in South Lubbock in Cooper ISD, I should say, right off of Indiana, super close and convenient to United grocery store. You're not having to drive very far to get to the grocery store. You're not having to drive very far to get to kids' sporting events or to get to restaurants or really whatever you want to do in Lubbock. You're not very far away, but you do have a little bit of elbow room. Not a full acre, so if you're scared or intimidated by a full acre, I get that. It's a lot of land. Half acre is perfect and very ideal for you if you're looking to move to somewhere with some space. So right off of Indiana and 145th Street is where I am in this neighborhood. I'm going to show you right here is where a lot of these homes are going to be built. This is phase 1 of the neighborhood, and it will be in a couple more phases here in the next few years. There is about 5 homes currently built right now, not very many, and all of these homes have sold in the last year. So it is a very small, quiet little area and right near everything, centrally located. So let's get inside and take a look at this home. Okay, so right when you walk in, you are greeted by huge vaulted ceilings, the open concept dining, living, and kitchen area. And then to my left, you'll have an office. So if you are looking for a modern industrial flair, this house has a little bit of an industrial flair to it, but it's also pretty modern. There's a touch of traditional flares as well too, if you can say that. But I just wanted to show you what one of the homes here in this neighborhood looks like. So this would be the office and is not classified as a bedroom. It will still have the vaulted ceilings and the floor to ceiling windows, just to make it such a great office. And then you walk into the living area and you'll have the built-ins on the left side of the fireplace. And I'm loving this concrete fireplace. I mean, it's just stunning, and it's kind of recessed in. You have a little bench, you'll still have a little mantle built around it. So going into the kitchen area, everything in here is going to have your vaulted ceilings. You're going to have the leather granite as the countertops. And you're gonna have your 6-burner Frigidaire stove The range hood just blends very seamlessly in with the cabinets, and I love that they have the separate fridge and freezer combo. So as I mentioned, this neighborhood is one of Lubbock's newest master plan community on a half acre. And look at all of the windows letting in so much natural light. I mean, from floor to ceiling, even in the dining room, lets in so much natural light. So this neighborhood is only in phase one. There's only about 5 houses actually built right now. If you look through the window, I'm gonna show you all of these vacant lots right here. I mean, they're all planned to be built on. You can see the meters being put up. They're currently being sold. And they're all gonna be on a half acre of land. I'll turn the lights on. And so if you don't want a full acre, but you still want a little bit of space, maybe a little shop, well, then a half acre of land is absolutely perfect to build a house on. So I just walked through the little butler's pantry with a little hidden pocket door, which is awesome. And then going into the hallway with the bedrooms back here with your little backpack nook. And so off of my right, you'll have 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill. So this house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Again, floor to ceiling windows, vaulted ceilings in every room of the house. Coming into the Jack and Jill, you'll have the closet right off of the sink in the bathroom. They will share the tub and toilet area. And then on this side, just a standard Jack and Jill, you'll have the other vanity. You still have vaulted ceilings. They're not as high as the first bedroom I just showed you, but I mean, they're still a little bit higher than standard. Again, lots and lots of light coming in through. And then you'll also have the closet with the built-in shelves. So this house is listed at $733,000. It's almost just shy of 3,200 square feet. So it's a big house. And I want to share with you this cutie little hallway because I'm so obsessed with it. And it's right off of the entryway coming in from the garage. And you'll come in, you'll take a right, and you'll come down this little hallway and you'll have the cutest little laundry room. I'm obsessed with the floor tile in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And look at all of the cabinets and cabinet space you have. Little prep sink with a little window to the backyard. The light will go, here it goes. And one of my favorite features that builders have been adding is this little hanging rack. So that way you don't have to take up space on the floor if you don't want to. It's all on the wall and you can hang it back up whenever you're finished. And then these doors also close. So if you do have company over, you don't want anybody to see, you can close these doors. I like that it's a little bit of a different style door too than your basic, standard door like this one. But then we enter into the master suite with a reading nook. This is so luxurious. You have the cutest little reading nook right here. And you can make this whatever. You can even make this a little nursery area if you want to. Or dog area for sure. Put a little dog bed right here if you want them to have their own space and not be in the bed. But anyway, a cutie little reading nook right off of the side of the house. And the windows are 360, so you can see into the living area from here, which is pretty awesome. And then you come into the owner's master suite, and it is a large bedroom. It's not super tiny. You can still fit a dresser on this side if you'd like. And it has the sliding glass door here to let you into the backyard, to let the dogs out, or just to sit out there on your patio, read a book, whatever you feel like doing in the mornings or in the afternoons. I mean, it's just, again, lets in so much light. I mean, I barely have the lights on in here, and there's so much light. And then into the master suite, or the master bath. I love all of the windows in here, and you can see this giant soaking tub with this giant window. And then you'll have the other vanity with the shower, and then you have the huge closet on both sides with the built-ins over on that area. And then you also have the built-in drawers in here as well. And they're pretty deep. I mean, sometimes the drawers are not deep, and they are very, very deep. So you don't have to have a dresser if you don't want to, but it definitely helps to have as much storage as possible. So as I'm coming back into the master suite, we will come right back out this way. And I wanted to talk a little bit more about where this neighborhood is located because, like I mentioned, it is South Indiana, and it's right past 146th Street. So you are about 15 to 20 blocks away from the new Loop. But you do feel like you're kind of secluded from it just because you are on a half an acre of land, and you do have to come quite a bit east to get to this neighborhood from where the new Loop is going to be. So it's not like it's right in your backyard, but it will be very conveniently located whenever it does get finished. So wanted to point out the sliding glass doors here to go into the backyard, into the back patio, and then everything once finished, once you purchase, it will be sodded out if you choose to have that, you can sod that out. But a half acre isn't terribly large. It's not a lot to maintain. If you want a pool, it's great for that. Or two, if you don't want to be out in the country, but you want a little bit of land, this is a great area because you truly are in the middle of South Lubbock, and you're just past Kelsey Park, which I know I talk about that a lot, but Kelsey Park is it's so close to Kelsey Park. It's just a little bit more south, probably like 10 blocks south from Kelsey Park. So you're close to everything still in the city. I'm going to take you into this bedroom bathroom combo here. This is a bedroom. It is staged to look like a little home office or movie room, but it is one of the bedrooms, and it does have a large bathroom right across from it. Lots of gorgeous built-ins here. I love the detail on the hardware. So beautiful. And then you have the little ledge, the tiled tub surround with a huge window coming in. I mean, this house lets in so much light. And then you'll come back out, and then to the right, I mean, look how pretty that is. It's just stunning. And then to the right, again, you'll have that office. So I feel like the space is very evenly distributed throughout the entire home. I don't think that there's any wasted space per se. I think that everything has its spots, and you're not gonna have a bunch of filler fluff to put in. If you are wanting a true 3,200 square feet house with an office and a reading nook on half an acre, well, this house is it if you have a budget around $730,000. A lot of these homes in this neighborhood, as I said before, are going to be around the mid 600s to around the 800s. And that's going to be what to expect moving forward if you do choose to build, or if you choose to purchase a house that is already maybe planning on getting built. This builder specifically is absolutely amazing. They build stunning custom homes, as you can see in this house. I mean, this house is obviously stunning. They used to do a lot of great custom homes throughout Lubbock, and so they've been around for a long time. This is not a builder that just came in and started to build in Lubbock. They know what they're doing. They have the rap sheet. They know how to build a house here in West Texas. And so I'd love to connect you with them if you do want to build in this neighborhood, because they are stunning. They build stunning homes. Not one home looks the same. You can talk with them about the design choices that you want to do. But again, it just will be in the budget between 600 to, I mean, really over that, if anything over that. But really this neighborhood would probably be around 800,000 to 900,000. So just because if they're only on half an acre. If you're on an acre, maybe a little bit more, but if you do add a pool or a shop, obviously later down the road, that will cost a little bit more. So if you have any questions about this specific home or about this specific area, let me know. You can always send me a message, schedule a Zoom call, or comment below. And as always, be sure to like and comment and subscribe so that you can be the first to know about all things happening here in Lubbock, Texas. And until next time, we'll see you around.